Right folks, welcome back to the Monkeys Uncle Doves Club, and today we're actually going to replace the backlights. I've got some new smoked lights to go on the back. Again, an easy replacement. All we're going to do, there's 3 bolts in the back of these and they go into there. So what we'll do, you need to get access to the back, a little bit fiddly, and we will need an 8mm socket to get in and remove the bolts to take that out, and then we can change it over. So now we've undone the 3 bolts inside with the 8mm socket. We'll take this out. Now there's also 2 retaining clips in here, so you need to feel around inside. It's a little bit difficult to video, so there's one either side. So push those 2 retaining clips. Sorry, my apologies. 3 retaining clips, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, provided they're not snapped off on your van. Those 3 clips there, as well as your 3 bolts. And obviously what you need to do is undo your back of your light fitting. That just clips out as well. So now we get our new smoked light section, and again your 3 retaining bolts and your 3 clips. So I'll push that back in. Line it up. Replace your bulbs. And they clip back in. And now it's simply a case of putting these bolts back on. There's 3 of them, tighten them up, make sure nice and tight, get a good watertight seal. Right, once we've done that, it's always worth making sure your electrics work. As you can see now, done both sides. Personally, I think it looks a lot better. Personal choice, but it's a quick and easy mod for your Volkswagen T4 Transporter. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time for the Monkeys Uncle Doves Club.